What's up, YouTube? This here's gonna be my 2017 fireworks stash, and I have some stuff in this room and have some stuff in my room. But to start off is Lil Shrooms, 25 shots. Big and Bad, 36 shots. Pair of Angel and Demon, 14s. Defenders, 49 shots. Painkiller, 12 shots. Some Dubstep, 100 shots. Here's Apocalypse, 100 shots. Zombies Revenge, Pyro Predator, some G4 shells, and Taste My Venom. Canister shells. Here are some Smurfs, 10 shots. The case right here. Wrecking Ball, 9 shots. Here's Omega Red, 100 shots. Don't gotta say nothing about those. There's Skittles, 12 shots. There's 3 of them. So there's all the stuff that's in here. So let's get into the next room for the rest of the stuff. Let's go. Alright, next up, I have 3 boxes of the Triumph UV Pagoda canister shells from Red Apple. There's 3 of them. This box right here, I have a few stuff in there. I'll get to that one right now. I have 2 cases. There's a brand new case. There's the other one of the Pyro Star Flower set, 20 shots. Comes with Moon, Star, Fire, and Sky Flower. This is last year's version. 20 shots. Next up, here's a Brothers Finale set number 4. That comes with Capella, Vega, and Olay. But the one missing here is Rolled Gold. I don't have that one no more. I haven't even seen the tubes on this one. Let me actually open it. See how the tubes look. Pretty small tubes. There it is. 49 shots. Next up, I got the the Ganja box from Red Apple. Comes with Kush, Haze, Diesel, and Dream. These are some bad cakes. I seen these at the demo, so that's why I picked them up. Haven't even seen the tubes on these either, so I'll go ahead and open these up, see how these look. And big ass tubes. See right there, there's 4. These are 12 shots, by the way. And I have here 2 boxes of the Dragon box. I believe these are in this year's versions. And what else? Alright, well, before I get to this box, actually I went to Phantom earlier. I picked up 4 things for $8. Confetti lights, Crack the Whip, ground blooms, and the good stuff, snakes. $8 for those 4 things right there. Shit was pricey. But next up, let's get to this box right here. See, hopefully I don't drop nothing. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, we're in the box. First up here is the Bronx Bombers. These are double breaks. Let's go see them down here. Comes with 6. Next is the Platinum Flash Crackers by Ghost from Red Apple Fireworks. I have 2 boxes of Morning Glories to go with the snakes over there. 6-pack, the 5-inch UV canisters from Red Apple. 2 boxes of ground blooms. 2 boxes of these. I've already seen these. I'm not gonna open them. I should already know what these are. Next up, 16 shot Marvel, small heavy hitter. 200-gram cake from Fisherman, Last Revenge. I think I have the set. Yeah, Prime Target by Fisherman. Camouflage by Fisherman. And Score on Fire by Fisherman. All 25 shots, 200 grams. Next is Instant Replay, 12 shots by Brothers. This is one that my girl actually won this one on the Super Bowl contest that we're having. And right here is a 18 shot Whistling Thunder, another heavy hitter. Two Echo of Freedoms, 25 shots. Here's the other one. Pack of Money Shots. Right here are some Jumbo Ground Blooms, Sunrise, M1000, 5-inch Super Spud, another Ground Bloom. Right here, there's 2 packs of Ballistic Rockets. 2 packs. And right here, I have a few little different kind. Some Warriors, Female Rocket, and Ball Bullet. Oh, and this one too, Pound Rocket. So these are more rockets. And what else I have? I think that's about it. Yeah, that's it right here. This is gonna be my 2017 fireworks stash. 4th of July is, what, 2-3 days away. Everybody stay safe out there. This is it right here. This plus everything in the other room. So yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't already.